and welcome to the third video of arithmetic progression. Today we will learn how to apply the formula of n terms of an AP for a given question. Now sum to n terms of an AP is given by the formula n by 2 bracket open 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where you know a stands for the first term, d is the common difference, which is basically a2 minus a1, difference between the consecutive terms, n stand for the number of terms. Now this formula can also be written in more than one form. How? If you consider 2a, I can split it and write it as a plus a, right? And children, you already remember in the last video we did the formula of general term of an AP. So a plus n minus 1 into d can be written as a nth, or in some of the books it is also represented by L. So the formula for sum to n terms is also written as n by 2 bracket open a plus a nth. I'll tell you where to use this formula. Let's move ahead. Suppose we have to complete this exercise 5.3. So there is only one formula which can be applied where sum is asked. Let's see how. Let's talk about question number 1, children. So it is already clear from the series a is 2 and d we can calculate as I told you, a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 2, which is 5. You have to calculate sum to 10 terms. So basically n is 10. So the formula of Sn is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I just want you to put everything which is there in a, d and n, and you will get your answer. So similarly, all the rest of the parts can also be done, right? Now, what about question number 2? Question number 2, let's talk about the first part. If we have to do question number 2 first part, again, a is given to you as 7. D you can already calculate. So this is again a2 minus a1, which is 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2 is the second term, minus 7. If we take LCM, children, so 7 2s are 14. So 14 minus 26, and this is 21, so 7. So D is 7 by 2. So we got the value of D, we have got A. Now we have the nth term. A nth term is also given to us. But if you remember, and if I have to use this formula, sum to n terms is n by 2 a plus a nth. Since nth term is already given to you, still I need the value of n. So how to calculate n? Again, here this term is going to help us. The previous thing which we learned in the previous video, a nth is a plus n minus 1 into d. So put 84 equals to a is 7, n minus 1 into d. D is 7 by 2. Right, children? So again, if you see, I can take 7 common just to reduce my calculation. So it is 1 plus n minus 1 by 2. Just open the bracket, children. So this is 84 by 7. This is 1 plus n by 2 minus half. So this is half plus n by 2. Cancel 87, 7 and 84. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. So this is 12. Again, 12 into 2 is 1 plus n. So n is 24 minus 1. That is 23. So now you can put it in this formula and say sum to n terms is 23 by 2. A, which is already given to us, that is 7, and a nth, which is 84, rather than using this formula. Again, it is a little saving on time. It will save you on time since we don't have to calculate this again and again, right? So you just add. So 7 and 4 will give you 11, 1 carry over, right? So 8 plus 1 is 9. So just multiply and divide it by 2. That will give you your final answer. You can leave your answer in fraction also. That's not a problem. So this is how you will do question number 2. And obviously, third question, all the parts will be done in the same way because see, 3 things are given to you and you have to find the 2. So first in question number 3 also, in this we will use the formula of a nth. To find n, you know a plus n minus 1 into d is 50. A is given to us, d is given to us. So this is how we will solve. We will get the value of n from this formula, and then you can obviously find sum to n terms. Now here, since we don't know the last term, so using this formula will be more appropriate, right? So this is how you will solve all the parts. Now, let me show you a part where most of the students get stuck. Let's talk about the eighth part, third question. Now, a nth is 4. So, can I say a plus n minus 1 into d is 4? Now, the value of d is already given to us. So, a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. So, we get a, just open it, open the brackets, minus 2 is equal to 4. So a plus 2n equals to, this minus 2 goes that side, 6. So this is our first equation. Now children, from here we will get our second equation. So sum to n terms is minus 14. Again formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is minus 14. Again put the value, n by 2, we don't know a also, so 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to minus 14. So from this equation, if you see it very clearly, so from 1, after taking, first of all, I will take 2 common and cancel. If you can see, I can take 2 common and cancel, and now from 1, can I say a is 6 minus 2n, children? And I will put it here. Right? Put in the second equation. So this is my second equation. Let me put, so n into a, 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 equals to minus 14. So check here children. So n into 5 minus n equals to minus 14. Again, just open the brackets. So 5n minus n square is equal to minus 14. So n square goes that side, because try and keep coefficient of, when in a standard quadratic equation, this we've already learned, the coefficient of x square should be positive. So minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. अब हमें मिडिल टर्म, छोटे नंबर्स है तो लेट्स डू मिडिल टर्म. 14 के फैक्टर्स ताकि 5 आए. सो वी नो 14 के फैक्टर्स 7 and 2, right? So minus 7 plus 2. So n minus 7 plus 2, n minus 7 equals to 0. So n is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 7. Right children, since you can see that two factors will be n minus 7 into n plus 2 equals to 0. So you know number of terms can never be negative. So this is not possible. So value of n is 7. So now you put value of n as 7 in 1, and we get a as 6 minus 2 into n, that is 2 into 7. So 6 minus 7 2s are 14. So subtract, it is minus 8. So this is how you will do. Okay, so there is no need to panic. So you will be able to do all the parts, right, by the same formulas. Let's talk about this question. Again, I'm not going to solve the full question for you. How many terms of an AP must be taken to give the sum this? So sum to n terms is 636 and we have to find n. A is 9, D you know is A2 minus A1, that is 17 minus 9, that is 8. So D is 8. Right children? So you can find sum to n terms. So sum to n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of sum to n terms here and get the value of n. So this is 636 is equal to n by 2, 2 into a plus n minus 1 into 8, and you can simplify, right? Similarly, if you have to solve question number 5, same logic. First term is 5 and the last term, so a nth is 45, and the sum is sum. is 400. So S nth is 400. So you have to find same. So one equation by this, second equation by this. So A plus n minus 1 into D is 45. You can put the value of A. So n minus 1 into D is 45 minus A, that is 40. So this is one equation, right children? Similarly, you can also find the second equation using this formula. Sum to n terms is n by 2. This is obviously you know A plus A nth, right? So now why I have used this formula, I hope it is clear, because मुझे A भी given था और A nth भी given था, so that is why it will become easier for me. So 400 equals to n by 2, A which is 5, A nth which is 45. So we get the value of n which is 400 into 2 upon 50 children, right? So n आ जाएगा, n को हम first equation में put कर देंगे और d आ जाएगा, right? So this is how you will do question number 5. Similarly, question number 6 also can be done in the same way. Question number 7 also, there is no problem. The first sum of first 22 terms of an AP, if D is this and the 22nd term is this. So S22 we have to find out. Again, D is given to you as 7. 822 is given to you as 149. So from this, first can we calculate the value of A, right? A plus n minus 1, that is 21D is equal to 149 children. You can put the value of D as 7 and get A. Once you get A, again, for time saving, again the formula used can be n by 2 A, whatever is the value of A you got here, A plus A22, because last term is 22. So this is a easier formula to use rather than the big one, right? Now, similarly, question number 8. This was question number 7 for you. Similarly, you can do it with question number 8. The sum of first 51 terms. You have to find S to 51 terms whose second term is 14 and whose third term is 18. Again, first equation, A plus D is 14. Same formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, and A plus 2D is 18. So you can solve 1 and 2, right? Subtract कर दो, D आ जाएगा, किसी एक में put कर दो, A आ जाएगा. D और A दोनों आ जाएंगे, तो sum to n terms का formula use कर लीजिए, right? So this is how you will do question number 8. Question number 9 also will be done in the same way. If the sum to 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of the 17th term is 289, right? Find the sum of first n terms. So since you have to find the sum of first n terms, तो answer n में आएगा, right? There is no need to panic. Again, एक equation इससे, दूसरी equation इससे, right? और आपके पास A की और D की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. A और D जब आ जाएगा तो आप सम टू एन टर्म्स वाले फॉर्मूले में पुट कर दोगे, n ही रहेगा, तो आपका आंसर जो है वो n में आएगा, राइट? दैट इज हाउ यू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. First part. Now here, general term is given to you as this. So much easier way to do this question is पहले n की जगह 1 पुट कर दीजिए, तो आपके पास फर्स्ट टर्म आ जाएगी. A1 is 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7. Similarly, n की जगह 2 पुट कर दीजिए तो A2 आ जाएगा. 3 plus 4 into 2, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So you can calculate D, which is A2 minus A1, right children? So it is 11 minus 7. So this is 4, right? सो डी भी आ गया. अब आप चेक कर लीजिए हमें क्या चाहिए. हमें एपी फॉर्म करना है. तो आपको पता है एपी जो है वो कैसे फॉर्म होता है. ए प्लस डी, ए प्लस 2D एंड सो ऑन करके एपी आता है. तो फर्स्ट टर्म हमने निकाली थी 7, सेकेंड टर्म हमारी आई थी 11, थर्ड टर्म हमारी क्या आएगी चेक कर लीजिए. डी जो है वो 4 आया था. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 7, right children? So आप देख लीजिए 8 plus 7 15, right? and so on. Right, children? This is your AP, right? All right. Also, you have to find sum to first 15 terms. So again, you can use the same formula. Sum to n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 15, 15 by 2, a आपको already हम निकाल चुके हैं 7. Again 15 minus 1 into d. D is again we have already taken out, which is 4. So you can calculate now. Now, this is a question where most of the students do mistake. It is a hot question and इसमें गलती होती है. I'll tell you what is the mistake which students do. Sum to n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. So when we put n as 1 children, so sum to one term आएगा 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. तो sum to one term का हिंदी का मतलब देखते हैं कि एक टर्म का सम. तो क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ एक टर्म का सम का मतलब यही हुआ कि वो a होगा. आई होप दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. फर्स्ट थिंग. Okay, next, when we put n as 2, so we get sum to 2 terms, which is 4 into 2 minus 2 ka square. That is 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 4, that is 4. So sum to 2 terms 4 आया है. तो check करिए. जब मैं S2 माइनस S1 करूंगी तो वो मेरा D नहीं आएगा. दैट विल बी माई A2. कैसे चेक करिए. अगर पहली टर्म A है, दूसरी टर्म सपोज A2 है, सम टू वन टर्म का मतलब A हो गया और S2 का मतलब हो गया A प्लस A2. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए क्या आएगा. अगर मैं S2 माइनस S1 करूं, S2 माइनस S1 करूं तो A प्लस A2 माइनस A कैंसिल, तो मेरे पास A2 आएगा. तो दिस इज द कॉमन मिस्टेक विच मेनी स्टूडेंट्स डू, विच यू डोंट हैव टू डू. सो A2 विल बी 4 माइनस 3 S2 माइनस S1, दैट इज 1. अब मेरे पास A2 1 आया है. अब मैं D निकालूंगी, विच इज A2 माइनस A1. So that is 1 minus 3. So D is minus 2. So now D is minus 2. Now you can calculate everything. You can find out the third term, the 10th term and the nth term. Again, when we find out the nth term, children, it will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2 and we get the answer in n. So मेरा answer of A nth will be 3 minus 2n plus 2. यानी कि again मेरा जो answer है वो n की term में आएगा, यानी कि इस A nth is 5 minus 2n. So this is my nth term answer, right? So this is question number 11 for you. Now suppose you have to do question number 12. Again question number 12 में बिल्कुल नहीं घबराना है. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers. So 40 positive integer 1, 2, 3 and so on होते हैं, but they are talking about divisible by 6. तो आप check करिए 6 से divisible. So it will be 6, right? Then read the table. 6 2s are 12. Then 6 3s are 18 and so on. So till 40, sum to 40 integer. So A is 6 children, D आपको again आता है A2 minus A1, that is 12 minus 6, which is again 6, and N is 40. So you can use again sum to n terms का formula, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is how you will do this. Question number 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Again, multiples of 8. Again, read the table. 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, and so on. Again, A is 8, D is A2 minus A1. Then we have to find sum of 15, first 15 multiples. So n is 15. Again, use the same formula, put all the values, you will get your answer. Now, let's talk about question number 14. Again, 14, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. तो 0 and 50 के बीच में odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5 and so on. Last number क्या होगा? 49. तो again आपके पास A given है 1, D आपके पास आ गया है A2 minus A1. That is, आप subtract करके देख सकते हो. that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So D is 2. So A is this. Now we have to find the sum of, now we don't know how many odd numbers are lying between 0 to 49 और हमें उसे फिंगर्स पे नहीं काउंट करना, तो कैसे करेंगे? आप सम टू एन टर्म्स का फॉर्मूला लगा दोगे, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 49. So now you will get the value of n from here, right children? A is 1, D is 2, 49. So 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So 24 plus 1. So n is 25. So we got n as 25 and you will put it in sum to n terms वाला formula, right? Again, कौन सा आसान है formula use करना? Time saving trick. n by 2 a प्लस ए nth, क्योंकि हमें a गिवन है, हमें a nth भी गिवन है और n हम निकाल चुके हैं 25. So this is a more convenient formula to use. So I hope I am very clear. And question number 15, 16, 17, 18, they are not in your syllabus, okay, because these are word problem related to sum. So that is why I'm not going to touch 19, 20. So this is all about your exercise, okay. So we will get to know more about AP and we'll discuss some hot questions and we will learn how to save more time, okay. So see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, kindly leave in the comments below. Thank you.